Mache. Paper mache is the material that piñatas are made out of. How many of you have ever been to a party and there's been a piñata?
Nah, never.
Okay.
I never.
Frankie, since it's your birthday, piñatas are kind of a birthday thing. Thank you. What do you do with a piñata?
You take a piñata and you throw it at this. You hit it with this thing.
Like a stick?
How do you make it stop?
Did you? Oh, just keep it going. Just keep it right here. So you hit it, okay, and eventually when you hit it hard enough, what happens to the piñata?
Candy comes out.
But then the piñata does what?
Drops.
It breaks. Okay. Now it takes a while for the piñata to break because they used paper mache, which I'm about to show you, and paper mache is really, really strong. Okay. Paper mache is made with paper strips. So I'm gonna tear this paper towel into some smaller strips.
Will we cut it?
And you dip the strips of paper in a glue. And this is the glue that we're using. It's special paper mache paste.
Don't
Okay.
put your finger in it.
You are gonna get your hands in there. Not quite yet.
Seriously? We are?
You are. So let me show you. Okay.
How dangerous.
When you dip the paper into the glue and put it on your sculpture, when it's dry, it dries really hard, just like that piñata. It's really hard to break. Okay. So the more paper and glue, or more paper you put on your sculpture, the stronger the sculpture is going to be.
So we're gonna put the glue on
So you guys are gonna be making paper mache bowls. Okay, and we're gonna use these bowls, the styrofoam ones, to help us make the correct shape. Okay, so let me show you.
You got the marker.
Okay, I'm gonna put my name on the inside here because we're gonna put the paper mache on the outside. And we also want to,
What is that?
we don't want the paper mache to stick to the bowl because when the paper's dry, we're gonna take it off of the bowl. So we're gonna put this Vaseline on the outside of the bowl.
I've made Vaseline for my knee before.
And this is
What is Vaseline?
just so the paper mache doesn't stick to this bowl forever.
Vaseline taste?
It's kind of like a lotion for your hands. So the extras you can just rub into your hands.
This is a dirty suit.
Oh, it's about to get even dirtier. And then after you have the Vaseline on there, you're going to put the strips of paper into the paper mache glue so that the whole thing gets wet. And then this is where you get even messier. You're going to wring it out between your fingers so that all the extra glue goes back in this bowl. And then you're going to put the paper strip on the styrofoam bowl. And your job today is to get as much paper on the bowl as you possibly can. Because just like, think back to the piñata,
Wait, I have
the
a
more
idea.
the more you put on there, the stronger it's going to be. Do you have any questions while I'm adding more? Yeah.
If we do too much glue, it's gonna be so strong.
Yeah, actually the paper is what's going to make it strong, so I shouldn't see like glue dripping off of here.
So like
Okay.
that's how you like carve it out.
That's why I'm wringing it out. This is a really important step.
But if you do like this,
Can we take these home?
The glue will
Today?
drip because
Not
you add
today.
too much glue. Didn't
Oh, the next, or we get to take them home?
Yep,
we do
these
half
have to
of it?
dry here. You're going to do the whole outside of
Can we
it.
do like so like we
When
can
will
do,
be the
like,
next art?
like
Next
we can
week.
do so like we can dip it in the
next
hat and then can we still glue that?
You want to get the whole thing in the
Look
glue.
at our hands.
Your hands are going to get messy with the glue, and that's okay.
But then our hands can stick together, and then we are going to be messy for
No, it'll wash off.
What was the first step?
The first step was to put the Vaseline over the outside of the bowl.
Oh yeah.
Remember that? All right, you can stop the video now.